Good morning, everybody. Bobby Brown. Down here in my pajamas this lovely morning. Oh, it's about 11 o'clock and my neighbors are already singing this song of freedom, and I just couldn't wait to get out here, so I'm shooting in my pajamas because I can. Anyway, my son bought me a box, and I failed to bring the box up here with me, but it's a standard box of your Walmart Federal copper plated round nose ammunition, 115 grain. And I just noticed how much hotter it is than my standard load for now, which is with the Acme bullets, the lipstick bullets, 4.4 grains of unique. I'm noticing that my ammunition shoots very softly, and I can shoot quickly, get back on target fast. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's great. The sound of freedom. But it's very smoky and inaccurate. And I'm noticing that I can shoot the factory ammo, albeit cheap federal ammo, much more accurately than my own ammo. So I think I'm going to go back up, maybe settle around 5.0. You know, I'm very unscientific because I don't have a crony or anything. But anyway, the first two bullets are my lipsticks, and then I'll fire two of the federal factories and see if there's any difference visually on this video. I hope everybody's having a great day. Hit the like button because everybody likes to be liked. And here we go. Anyway, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Yeehaw!